What's happening, e-bike community? Hope you're doing fine. In this vlog, we are testing our GoPro Hero 9 and the Zugo Rhino e-bike on light off-road trails around Fullerton Panoramic Trail. Fullerton offers many mountain biking trails for different skill levels. As usual, I went to scout and curate our own trail for our e-bike meetup group. Because of its fat, knobby tires, the Zugo Rhino bike performed well on dirt. There was only one time I almost slipped on very loose gravel. Besides that, I would score the bike an 8 out of 10 for light off-road trails. It just felt like the bike preferred running on dirt over pavement. If you watch my other videos, you can hear how loud the tires are on pavement. Unless you are willing to beat up your bike, I don't recommend it on very steep mountain biking trails. It is a moped style design after all. If you're outdoorsy and like e-bike content, kindly support the channel by subscribing and checking out the meetup link in the description below. Enjoy the rest of the video. This is Julian signing out, and see you next time. 2.7K mode with the wind reduction mode on. So far our tires are doing fine. It is grippy. It's made for terrain like this, but it's not really made for rocky, heavier off-roading. But so far so good. Let's turn it up a little bit. Ooh. So it does get bumpy, but it gets a little bit sandy over here, this area. Oh crap, here we go. Let it rip. Ooh, bumpy. That was nice. Let me go up this hill. Let's try going up this hill. No, our bike's gonna flip over. That is a no. That is a no. At least not that way. Oh, okay. I got some bump stuff. Alright, another bump. Another bump. Another bump. Another bump. Okay, that might be the hardest part. I think, I hope. A little bit of that. Easy looking thing. For the most part. It's okay. You got time. Like cat purring. Oh man. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is where we highest we go up, and then we just go down from here. Really. It's another look out there. Just check it out. Appreciation station, guys. Panorama view, because you get the 180 view here. And if we bike that away, you'll get the 180 view that way. Oh, that was scary. Those are the parts where we have to watch out for. Those really sandy rocks. I think that's where I would recommend not braking and, I don't know, turning off your engine as much as possible. Try it again. Yeah, you can see how much my tires dig into that. Yeah, this really says I'm just going about it wrong. I always almost ride in that area. This isn't that bad right now because I think I'm going on the yeah, it's not bad at all. Let it loose. And we're going on the road. Alright,
this is where it might get tricky. A little bit of rocks. I remember this. So I recommend 50 tires. And it's going to be more downhill. Just watch ahead. Yeah, these walks they might keep it out. Very tricky. I don't use that speed, but it has some with you. And I did say 50% is off-road, but as you guys are seeing it, yeah. This is the scary part right here. Turn to the rocks. Nothing like that. And this little dip. Ridiculous dip. Punch it quick, punch it soon. Same goes here. I remember this. I mean, on my e-bike it's just fine. I'm not doing anything strenuous to it. I mean, I have the right tires for it. This is this is considered light off-road trailing. Okay. We gotta make a left. Oh, more for off-roading. I mean, my tires are doing fine on it, but imagine, okay, what do we have here? It's downhill. Those are the gaps over there. Some more people. Slippery spots. Let it loose. Ooh. Okay. I don't want